sadly late, not fashionably late. I genuinely got stuck in traffic, Mumbai. Always get away with an excuse of saying that I was stuck in traffic, but I was actually stuck in traffic. Word towards the end makes a lot of sense to me, because I was sitting here and it actually took me back to my college years, and I was wondering, would these thoughts even cross our mind back in the day then? I don't think that we ever thought of changing the country. We did have our own ambitions, we did have our own goals, but we never thought of bringing in a revolution. I think it was much smaller thinking, not because we weren't exposed. I think it was because there weren't too many avenues available. When I went to my college in St. Xavier's, Ahmedabad, I remember life was all about hostel, college canteen, lab. I'm a science graduate, labs, girls hostel, chai ki dukaan, galla, chai ka galla, maximum cinema halls, breaking some rules. That was it. And then towards the end, towards the final year, getting worried about your future. I see these guys talk, amazingly well. You just start wondering, man, तुम लोग कब पैदा हुए थे, कब बड़े हुए और इतने smart, इतने intelligent कब बन गए? But I think that is also the exposure. So much is happening around. We have, as youngsters, you have so many avenues, you have so many platforms, you have so much to do, you can do so much. I think when I was in college, I never thought that I can actually bring in a revolution. I can only maybe start something, I could do something. There were times when we were bullied by seniors, by college presidents and all, and we didn't have ways and means to reach out. We didn't have ways and means to shake up the college management or the authorities or the government. Forget about the government. We didn't have ways and means to even tell them that we are here and we have an issue, we wanted to reach out to you, but there weren't any ways besides the conventional ones. Now, sitting here, you can bring in a change nationally, on a national scale, on an international scale. All you've got to do is just join hands. All you've got to do is just pick up the right platform, and you can actually bring in the change. This country, I guess, today, I think most of you must be knowing, there's 65% youngsters. India is made of 65% youth, which means you guys actually rule without knowing that you guys are ruling. Whatever is happening in the country, be it any governments come, governments fall, any other things that are happening in this country, you guys are really instrumental. You probably would not be even knowing your strength, but you guys are really instrumental in bringing the change and in what the state of the country is. So all I say, with all the intelligence, with all the exposure, with all your sensibility, be aware of your responsibility. You actually will have to be aware of your responsibility, because you can and you are the ones who will bring in the change in this country. So on that note, I'll let others also, give their views of it. By the way, wonderful being here. And so whom do you want me to pass the mic to?
So I think it's only appropriate. Firstly, very honest inputs from you, so yes, that's a wonderful side of it. And when you spoke about becoming more aware and more responsible, I think up next it's only befitting that I request Shri Khalid Saab to share his perspectives as well.
And there was no way you can express yourself differently. But today's youth, I see and I believe that I truly believe in this thing, that they can change the things for better. And that is how the whole civilization has progressed. We were hunter-gatherer at some point of time, we became agriculturists, we became industrial people, we became technological people and information age people. We have passed through a lot of phases, but in everything what was consistent, that the concept that there is a better way to do things. There is a more efficient way, there is a more economical way, and there is a more probably humane way of doing things. Ameya and his colleagues to establish such things, that a lot of energy is there in youth, but where is the channel? We don't have the channel, and when the channel is not there, it is channelizing something disruptive. The need of the hour was to get that energy channelized in a way that it becomes, as it is, we have progressed in the last 20-30 odd years. Well, I see the change when you go to foreign countries, the way Indians are being looked at, and 30 years down the line, back, the way we were being treated. A lot of change has taken place and a lot of confidence has come in.
Okay. You'd like to come over here because they're going to complain to me or else. Yes, there you go.
First of all, hello everybody, and I'm super excited to be here. It's so nice to see all you guys here supporting this beautiful cause, and I hope college life is treating you guys well. I don't know, I can't really remember when I was into, thinking what can I do for the country, or, let's do something for the world. I mean, I was busy in my own life, doing my own thing in college. I had no time to think about these things. So Abhishek and Amaya, you guys are doing a brilliant job here, trying to think about a change, honestly. And when I was listening to them talk, I was like, it's great that at least someone's trying to do something different and not busy in their own lives, because I think all of us are pretty much busy with what we're doing, and we think that is the whole world that we're living in, but there's so much more to actually do. So I want to wish you guys all the best for the initiative, and I hope that everybody who's here can participate and not be like a passive listener or viewer, and actively participate in this and try to bring a change. And I think that really works out well for everybody. Thank you, everybody.
Well, thank you very much, Neha. In fact, I think you were also part of the movie Youngest. Started to, address a very different topic altogether. So thank you so much again, Neha. Well, we're going to continue on that note, and I'm going to be asking the very beautiful Avni, of course, next. That's right. I'm going to request you also to share your inputs with this wonderful audience. Avni, over to you.
Hi everyone. First of all, I want all of you to give a big round of applause for Abhishek and Amaya, the guys who can actually think of creating a platform like Think Tank. Because as a youth, we have nothing to do except thinking, because we don't earn money, and the only thing we do is spend from our pocket money. So we can just think how to grab pocket money, how to increase our money, and how to spend it. So to create this platform, Think Tank, it's an amazing thing. And actually, what I believe is that today's youth is divided in two generations. It's like few people who exactly know what they want to do in life, how they want to do in life, and the others who are clueless, who doesn't know what to do in life. So एक कहते हैं कि जो कुछ नहीं करते वो कमाल करते हैं. You never know what they end up doing in life. So I really respect those who doesn't have any idea about their future. If you just ask them that what are you going to do after your college, so they must be thinking of planning a trip to Goa. So I just salute you guys. Just be the way you are, because you will end up doing the most important thing in your life. But those who actually know what they want to do and how they want to do, they have lot many things to think. And when I was in my college, I had lot many options to pursue my career, but I wanted to be an actress, and I really had no one to guide me. And but I just wanted to be in this industry, so I just kept going, and I came to Mumbai and I started working here. But yeah, I wish I could have someone to guide me properly, where I can share my thoughts, where I can share my confusions, where I can share my problems. But that time, in my college or in the place where I belong to, I didn't have anyone to guide me properly. But yes, I want to be in that place where I can guide others, where I can inspire others. So if I can be the part of this kind of platform, that it's an opportunity for me. It's a very big, it's a novel and social cause where I can be in that space where I can actually guide others. And the only thing which I want to say is that, it's not important how the young generation thinks. It's also important how the elders who are going to actually allow them, what they want to do. So it's very important how we convince our parents about our thoughts about your future goals. Because we are trapped in a society where we are living in a rules and regulations, which is created by our elders, our parents, and the society. So the think tank actually should think about the ideas of how to make a way in not just in the young generation, but also the elder generation, who is actually going to permit us, who is actually going to give us the wings to fly. Thank you.
जैसे आप कॉलेज में घुसते हो आपको प्रिंसिपल रूम दिखता है, आपको लेक्चर रूम दिखते हैं, तो आपको बहुत सारी यादें आती हैं। भी आप स्कूल में चले जाते हैं, बहुत सारी यादें हैं, लेकिन मैं शेयर नहीं करना चाहूँगा ऐसे में। कॉलेज के दिन सबसे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत दिन होते हैं, तो आप चाहें जो आप कॉलेज की दोस्ती जो वो चलती है। आज मेरे जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं हमारे कॉलेज से, ब्यूटीफुल टाइम। आप उसे याद करते ही हैं जब आप उसे कॉलेज में आते हैं। कि मैं भी बदलाव लेकर आऊँ, लेकिन आपके पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं थे, आपके पास रिचुअल नहीं थे, आपके पास बच्चों को एक्सपोजर नहीं था, आपके साथ में आपको लगता था कि आप अकेले हैं, आपको लगता था कि कोई जुड़ेगा कि नहीं जुड़ेगा, आपको लगता था कि बहुत बड़ा काम है, कैसे लोगों को कन्विंस करूँ, कैसे बाकी स्टूडेंट्स को कन्विंस करूँ। आज की तारीख में सोशल मीडिया है, ये करके सब लोग आपके साथ जुड़ने लगते हैं। आपका अगर आपके पास कोई ख्याल है, आपके पास कोई आइडिया है, तो आपको डिसीजन मिलता है, आपको सपोर्ट मिलता है, आपके पास एक्टिव पावर है कि आप कर सकें, आप बता सकते, जो उस समय नहीं था, आज से 15 साल पहले। लेकिन आज आप जो सोचते हैं वो आप करने की ताकत भी रखते हैं।
ट्रेलर भी लॉन्च किया है, कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप और इस तरह से प्रमोशंस करने वाले?
आज मैं कॉलेज में प्रमोट करने के लिए नहीं आया था या नहीं करने के इरादे से आया था मैं। या फिर महीने रिलीज़ हो रही है, बहुत जल्द आपको सब जगह देखने को मिलेगा। जो हमारा ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ है उसका बहुत अच्छा, बहुत पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स है। आई होप ये रिस्पॉन्स बढ़ता जाए।
Foundation and a very young fellow, there are two young fellows like Amaya Pratap Singh and Abhishek. So they both have come up with the new platform that is called Think Tank, when you can actually put across your ideas, your confusions, your problems, and what they actually do is they do the brainstorming and they come up with the solutions. They come up with the new ideas to give the new perspective and the new angle to all the problems and solutions.
आप कॉलेज में आए?
I mean, the college is the most wonderful memories of everybody's life, you know. So I still remember when I was in college, it was like the most important phase of my life. I can still remember all the activities which I was used to do in my college, and I can say that I got my life over there, because that was the time, that was the place where actually I could identify myself, who am I and why I want to pursue this career, acting. So yeah, that was the turning point of my life when I joined my college, and I actually got my I discovered myself over there.
कॉलेज डेज में जैसे यहाँ पे दो लोग हैं जिनको चेंज लाना चाहते हैं, क्या कॉलेज में आपके दिमाग में जैसे कोई ऐसा थॉट थे कि लाइक हाँ कुछ ऐसा करना है जिससे फ्यूचर में, कैसे आप कभी सोचा था?
Of course, I said the same thing on stage as well. When I was in college, I had lot many ideas. Same thing, I had lot many confusions as well. But I had nobody to guide me. I had nobody to listen to me. You know. So, but today, because I come from Gujarat, and that to a small town called Gandhinagar, where this kind of platforms are not so popular, and this kind of events when you can actually encourage the youth to speak up, that's not much in demand. So yeah, it's very important to listen to the voice of this youth, this generation, and I'm glad that they have created this platform, and today's youth have that opportunity to raise their voice and to ask a question.
Okay, Calendar Girls के बाद अब आपके आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में जानना चाहिए.
I just finished one film. Its name is Carry On Kesar, which is going to release soon. And apart from that, I have two major projects, and the dates are going to be somewhere in September. So they might go on floor in the second half of this year. And I've signed an NDA, so I'm not able to say anything about the project.
Okay, तो Carry On Kesar में किस तरह का रोल है आपका, क्या?
It's a social issue-based film, and I play a fashion designer coming from Paris and seeing the society's problem in a different way. And it's the same thing that how today's generation, people just think that today's generation is clueless, they don't know how to handle the life and how to handle the problems. But yes, we are in such a phase that we know how to handle our problems and how to come up with a different angle and a different solution. So this girl, there is a social issue involved in the film, and how this girl turns the mindset of an elderly couple and how their life gets changed. And
while doing that, her own life gets changed.
Okay, पहली फिल्म में आपका रोल काफी ग्लैमरस था, तो
Yes.
सेकंड चूज करते थे, किस चीज़ का ध्यान दिया आपने, लाइक कि किस तरह की इमेज बनानी है आपको?
No, I don't go for the image. I really want to go for the subject, the content which matters for me, you know, because as an actor, I'm open for all kind of roles which I can perform, where I can show my acting skills and strength. So, Calendar Girl was a different subject, Carry On Cases is a completely different subject. You can't compare these two subjects. And as far as the glamour is concerned, so yes, it's a part of today's lifestyle, because if you see a college girl or if you see a CEO working in a multinational company, they have their own standard of glamour in their life. So yeah, when I represent the youth, when I represent the today's society on the silver screen, then it's somewhere it's connected, the glamour is connected in it. So it depends what kind of subject you are working on.
उड़ता पंजाब में आलिया का रोल काफी
It's totally de-glam, yeah, actually.
या de-glam है, तो उस तरह के रोल्स में भी एक्ट्रेसेस को काफी पसंद किया जाता है, क्या आपको चांस मिलेगा तो आप इस तरह का रोल?
Of course, I would love to. I have done a short film called Gulabi where I literally play a very de-glam role. So, but again, it's all about the subject which appeals the audience, not the character or the look of the character, you know.
Do you think that de-glam role really मतलब